up with the wheelhouse, baby? You guys ready to hit it? You ready to get it? You ready to level up and get with it? Time to charge those batteries and get that money printer out. We are headed to the moon to stack chips and get paid out. Now on this channel, no baby stepping, no line stepping, no loose talk, no second thoughts, and definitely no maybes. And like I always say, green lights to the beach, baby. All right, good morning to everybody and welcome to the wheelhouse. My name is Chris. If you haven't been on this channel before, hit the subscribe button, like the video, select all so that you get the content, and make a comment if you guys don't mind. Let me know what you want to hear about. So I'm just going to run through a few different things in the markets, and just kind of wanted to go through yesterday. I had planned on just, if the markets were good, I said I was going to trade in and out, and I did, and I made some trades and I held some overnight, and definitely had a good day. All the indexes were up. Let me make sure about that. I'm not sure if the Russell ended up. Let's see. So the Russell was down a tiny bit, but everything else was up, and quite a bit actually. A lot of green in the market. But still we have a lot of underlying weakness going on, and I'm going to show you a whole gamut of charts and just show you what I mean by underlying weakness. There's a lot of charts going through that reverse participation phase number 4 in the market phases. That's the bad phase, and so we're going to take a look at that. But before we get into everything, I just wanted to remind everybody the Discord link to Wheelhouse Trading is in the description below. You can just click it, verify, and then you are able to talk with everybody in the stock and crypto chat. If you want to upgrade and get my trade alerts, you can. It's $49 a month, and I tell you, when I enter, when I exit, what my stops are. I'm really focused right now on trading, really focused on making money, even if I don't hold it for 4, 5, 10 weeks, and I'm just in and out in a day or two, but I'm making 2-3 grand on it and then pulling it out. Even if it goes up a little bit further, that's okay. I'm about getting in right, collecting money and putting it in, and just a whole bunch of collection of money. So if you got 10 different trades and they're all making 4 grand each real fast because they're perfectly entered and protected with stops and exiting even a little early, it's fine. Okay, that's a quick 40 grand. That's kind of what I'm focusing on with the Wheelhouse Trading guys, and with the trade alerts for crypto and stocks. So you get that. It's $49 a month. Could really help you if you need some help with that. If you want to upgrade to Jedi, it's $99 a month. You get all the courses. You get one-on-one coaching with me. You get the Wheelhouse Wednesday. You get access to all the areas, the Jedi chat, the elite chat, everywhere in the Discord, and that's super cool. Really cool community. It's growing really fast. We're getting quite a few subscribers, quite a few people in there, and everybody's helping, doing charts, technical analysis, giving ideas. It's pretty cool. So just click the link in the Discord. It is free to get in. Upgrading is your choice. Okay, so I said I was going to trade in and out. There was quite a few things that I did buy and that I'm interested in. I've been going through charts all afternoon after my meetings, and this is one that I picked up. I picked it up early in the morning. Doximity, I've been in it before. It peaked out over here. It topped out at 107.55. It's been on the daily in a red cloud. It actually went bearish in the red ribbons. It's not looking too good. It's kind of a high risk play. But I was watching on all time frames all the way to the daily, and all my indicators crossed. Volume was coming in. My cloud hasn't turned yet, but it looked like we established a pivot low floor. And luckily, when I took that trade, we made a lot of money. It went up 9.06% today. So I kind of crushed it on that one. Another one that I am really liking right now is Zim, up 8.37% right now. Everything is bullish. Broke out of the symmetrical triangle, had a base breakout. Ribbons are blue, clouds are blue, volumes coming in, indicators are bullish. Zim is in transportation. The whole transportation sector did well. But part of the reason that this one did extra well is because it had maintained above its 20 and 21-day EMA, whereas a lot of the other ones are falling a little below. So that brings a little stability and certainty to investors. Obviously, as Bitcoin and Ethereum do well on the larger cap of crypto, your Riots, your GDLCs, your Coinbases, your MSTRs, all those are going to do well. I placed some in here because I'm going to be jumping in and out of those just to grab some quick cash. If Bitcoin is going to run, then it's easy money to do this, and so that's a good one. Silvergate is one that I bought in today. The cloud was turning blue. I bought in at 202. It closed at 213. I'm probably going to trade in and out of this every single day this week. As long as crypto is running, I like this one because I know it moves up and down as much as 25 bucks a day. And I like, it usually opens up high and then it falls and then it'll bounce around and fall a little bit more. And if you can spot that and jump in, then throughout the day, it'll go up another 10, 15 bucks. It tends to do that every day. Playboy is another one I like because the cloud is blue. There's not a lot of blue clouds out there. I've been going through, hundreds of charts. There's just not a lot of them. Tesla, great day, 55 bucks on the day, 5%, huge. Again, the crypto stocks did really good. Pubmatic looks good in the blue cloud. I'm looking for stuff that's in the blue cloud on the daily right now. Let me show you what a lot of the stock market looks like right now, and I am really, really worried about it. Even though these are green, let's just take a look. Coinbase, red cloud on the daily. Going bullish, some volume, ribbons are good. Okay. SM Energy had an 800% earnings increase, red on the cloud. Okay. Mara, you know what Mara is, okay? Red on the cloud. Matador in the energy sector, red on the cloud. CCJ, also energy sector, red on the cloud. AMTX, I think, is turning, and it's one that I have made a lot of money on, in and out. I'm highly considering getting back into this. Micron, doing really well. Micron is a buy. Upstart, I mentioned in yesterday's video, I think it kind of found the floor and it's bouncing. Still red on the ribbon, still red on the cloud, still dangerous, but we may have found a floor and it's something to watch. And it's actually going bullish on the indicators in the daily, which is great. Edwards Life Sciences, this is in a really strong uptrend, beautiful, and look, it's making like an M pattern, lower highs, it's in a red cloud. I mean, look how tight the ribbons are, that's not good. Antero Resources, one of my favorites. Beautiful. I made a lot of money on it. I was looking at it today, my gains in my realized gains area, but it's red on the clouds. But it did have a good day, and I am looking to re-enter. Hopefully this finishes whatever it's doing. We print a couple blue candles, and maybe I can get back into that. Datadog, I really like Datadog. It's about to go blue on the cloud again, so I'm looking to enter that. Sunrun, red on the cloud, not looking good. ChargePoint, red on the cloud. We'll see what happens. There is a doji right there. It's a purple doji, but there is a doji, and that's good. Sentinel One, red cloud. DocuSign, red cloud. Aries, red cloud. Starbucks, red cloud. DatChat, red cloud. Disney, red cloud. PayPal, red. Grom, red. TMDI, red. Activision, just crushed in red. What I'm trying to explain to you guys, like DWIC, red. JD is blue, but flirting with red. CRISPR, look at this, guys. Look at this on CRISPR. This is insanity. Look at this. It has literally fallen to where it was back in September 2020, so over a year ago. It's fallen that far. Now, the reason I'm looking at this is because I'm wondering, is it going to bounce off this and start printing blue candles and make a turnaround? I don't know. If it doesn't do it like starting tomorrow, then its next stop actually is 68.85. I mean, CRISPR just destroyed. QuantumScape, red cloud. Chewy, red cloud, bearish. CPI Car Group, payments, red cloud, bearish. STEM, energy, red cloud and bearish. BABA, red cloud, very bearish. But listen, on BABA, now here's something very interesting. If you guys are in my courses and you watch the 4 market phases courses, this is a perfect example. So You have the 200, you cross, the ribbons go, and there's your base, and that's the accumulation where Wall Street accumulates. And then you have the secondary trend and the participation phase where retail, like you and me, come in and we buy with institutions and we run it up. Now, if you were in my courses, you would know that you got stopped out right here when it came down, no big deal, and you avoided all this. But look at this. It broke 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it's at the 11th major support. Well, it just so happens that the 11th major support is the same place that it was before it was accumulated 3 years ago in 2018. Haha, I noticed that. Now check this out. Check this out. We might be having, this might be the bottom of BABA. So I'm just telling you this because it's this kind of stuff I'm looking at. Big momentum. Another big momentum, but smaller. Another big momentum, but smaller. Another big momentum, but smaller, 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 smaller to that line that it was 3 years ago in the accumulation phase. It always accumulates, it goes up, it distributes, it comes down, and it repeats. This might be the beginning of the turnaround towards the accumulation, and BABA could be going all the way back up to that 320. I'm not saying it is. I mean, there's more that I have to see, but it's on my radar. And yeah, it was at 319. So we'll see. I do like that we're getting curvature in the candles, this little hockey stick, and the momentum slowing down. That means that sellers are getting exhausted. And it just so happens to fall on a support, which was the accumulation support from 3 years ago. It's quite interesting. C3.ai, red cloud, bearish, super bearish. I mean, oh my God. I mean, the reason I'm just showing you there's a lot of weakness in the markets, and that's why I'm not trying to buy and hold right now. I do like to buy and hold. I do have a buy and hold portfolio as well, and some stuff is really up and some is like not as high as it was, but they tend to all go up. But I'm not really trying to add a lot to that right now. I'm just trying to trade in and out right now while it's so volatile until we kind of know what's going on with this variant and, just everything that's going on, But yeah, here's another one. Caterpillar, infrastructure play. On the Dow, red. RG, red. MGM, red. Billy, red. Naked, I can't tell, but it looks like it's definitely under the 200, so we'll call it red. Cassava, very volatile, trader type play, red. Dutch Bros, red. I mean, guys, it's just, there's too much underlying weakness in the market to be holding on to a lot of stuff right now. You need to be getting in and getting out. So that's why if you guys don't have my trade alerts, you might want to just do that. It can save your butt. And I'm really highly focused on my charts and my alerts, and I'm super focused right now. I'm not letting YouTube get in the way. I'm not letting distractions, even in the Discord, people asking questions. I'm just not letting it happen. I am focused on managing my trades, finding the right entries, exiting properly at a profit, so that everybody that has alerts and everybody that is a Jedi and a Padawan is making money if they follow them. I'm highly focused on that particular thing right now. That is my everything right now, is to make sure that everybody is making money. That is, even in this difficult market, that's what they're signed up for. So that's what I'm focused on. And so, there's always going to be a flight of safety when the big institutions pull money out, or even retail investors pull money out. They're going to put it in plays like Microsoft and Apple. I mean, why not? It makes sense. I mean, Apple's the largest company. It's more than $1 trillion company. They always do good, and I mean, the ribbon's blue, the cloud's blue in a tough market. I'm sure if I pull up Microsoft, it looks really good too. And like your Nvidias and like these guys they're safer, even though they're big tech. They're actually safer because they're large companies and they're bullish and they're holding up the indexes. So I want to be looking at stuff like that for my people. And I'm also going to play the game where I'm just, if it's red, I'm not in it. If it's going blue and it's on the daily and it's done all the work through the time frames, we can jump in and then we can get out on like the 4-hour cloud, something like that. And so I'm putting a plan together so at least like 90% of the trades will be profitable. The only thing that would be unprofitable would be if there's just another wallop, just boom, like a big slam. But even there, we'll have our stop right below a perfect technical bounce on the support. So it'll be minimal. But But yeah, I mean, the name of the game, we're in a pro level right now. This is not the easiest market, even though today was good. Let's not forget there's been many good days, and then the next day went to hell. So, I'm thinking about that. I'm thinking defensively and offensively. I'm the coach, and we're gonna win the game. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, hit that like, hit the subscribe, select all, guys, and let's take a quick look at crypto, if you don't mind. I just want to take a peek at some stuff, see what's going on. Actually, let's go over. Okay, so we do have some green. This is green, but it's been at the same number for like 3 days. Maddox come up a little bit. About an ADA got wrecked, didn't it? Mana, it's kind of bouncing around. It was up earlier at 505. Now it's at 491. So that's what they do. Ethereum's kind of at the same place it's been all day. It should be a little higher. I mean, but it's above 44, so that's okay. Let's see what Bitcoin's doing. Let's see what Bitcoin's doing. So as I said in yesterday's video, I did like that we kind of came down. We stayed above this. We got above resistance. We closed a green body candle, closed above it, and then on today we actually got a tiny bit above this line. So that's positive. And if you notice, not only is the ribbons blue, but the cloud is about to turn blue. We have to have another big day for it to go blue. Okay, it needs to, or it could be 2 or 3 days that are medium. But in order to make that go blue, it's not easy to make the cloud go blue. You can't be like one up, one down, one up, one down, because it'll just go sideways. It's not going to, it really needs some bullish momentum the way I have my chart set up to make that thing go blue. It's not just like a simple 9 EMA that rolls, 9 days back. So, I think the crypto looks, I think the Bitcoin looks good, but with this kind of volume, we had this kind of volume on the line. We didn't push over the way I wanted to. I wanted to push a little harder. But, we're coming in a little bit here. So I guess, the best thing to do is let's just see what happens overnight, okay? But our indicators look great, and our volume is coming in. And we did get the doji. The doji signifies we're on a turnaround, and we had a big day, and now we're having a follow-through day. That is exactly what you want as a technical trader. That's exactly, literally piece by piece, what you're looking for is actually playing out. Now, the next step is to get above this and to break out of this or test it and, retest support. But, getting above this is our next step in that channel. We do that, everything starts getting bullish, people start coming in, it lifts all the alts and the whole crypto market crypto market cap goes up, and, it's just going to be very, very good. So yeah, let's just kind of leave it there. Look at Shiba. Woo, woo, woo. Oh, look, there you go. You found a floor. Okay, look at that. So we found a floor. Boom, 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 boom. This is bullish, guys. This is bullish on Shiba right now. This could be like the play right now. It's up at 44 cents. It was just at like 36 cents, wasn't it? So you got boom, your first blue candle, and then a big follow through, and it looks like your clouds are turning blue and your ribbons are blue, and your indicators are bullish. I'm going to tell you right now, I might push heavy. I had 500 million Shiba. I sold 90% of them. I have 10% of that, which is still a chunk, but I mean, I could push a lot more in. I wish I would have done it, 3-4 cents ago, but it is what it is. It's not about price. It's about momentum, and you can buy in at 47 cents. If it's going to go to 54, who cares? Just, buy another 450 million of them and run, so, I mean, the stuff is cheap, I mean, it's nowhere close to a penny. So if Shiba's going to run, then, I might get into some Shiba tonight. It looks good. I mean, from what I can see on the daily, let's go back it down. Let's just take a look at Shiba real quick. Yeah, Shiba's looking good on the 6. Shiba's looking good on the 4. The 3 is solid. The 2 is good because the blue ribbons are coming out and you're above the 200. So really that's where you're at in the chart. you're at the 2 hour. So for 2 hours, it's been showing bullish behavior to get above the 200 and to print blue ribbons and a cloud and have bullishness. Now you have bullishness all the way to the daily, okay? You do, but you don't have the cloud. So you're missing one. And when you get to the 6, you have the cloud, but you have the red. So it's not all synced up. So really where it's all synced up is at 2 hours. So what I'd like to see is another 2 hours of bullishness to the 4 hour. If we get to the 4 hour in 2 hours from the time I'm doing this, and this is above the 200, the cloud is blue, and the ribbons are coiling up, and it's maybe a tip of it is blue, and these all look good, and our volume is up higher, I might push into Shiba again. Like, why not, you know? So yeah, Shiba looks kind of cool. Look, I want you guys to pay attention to that underlying weakness, okay? I know it was a good day yesterday, but don't get faked out. Be smart. If you don't know how to navigate these waters and you're losing too much money, definitely hit that Discord link and get in there and start talking to me or other people in there. Do yourself a favor. Invest in yourself. $99 a month. You get all the courses. You get the one-on-ones with me. I'm doing 2 one-on-ones every day. I'm talking with all the students, helping them out, and talking about their portfolios and teaching them different things. I just was in one. I was teaching somebody about supports and resistances and how to set stop losses and looking at portfolios and different things. So I'm here for you guys for that. So hit the Discord link and you get in there and talk with people. You don't even have to upgrade. Just kind of chat and meet everybody. And if it's something you want to do, then you can think about that. But hit the subscribe, the like, and select all. And my name is Chris. Thank you for watching and welcome.